This episode uncovers Adele's disciplined routine that fuels her colossal voice and sustained creativity in the spotlight. Mornings begin with vocal warm-ups, hydration, light cardio, and a focused practice block that preserves her voice. She protects energy by balancing studio time with family moments and careful choices about performance schedules. Her philosophy centers on authenticity, selecting projects that resonate deeply, and viewing every stage as ongoing practical study. Viewers can apply these lessons by carving practice into a realistic schedule, prioritizing rest, and aligning work with core values.